Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the introduction to trigonometry. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. We will see the introduction. What is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry, which comes from the Greek word trigonon, means triangle, and metron means measure. That is the measure of triangle. That is called a trigonometry. Is the branch of mathematics that studies the relationship involving length of the sides and measure of angles of triangle. Right? So this is the measure of the triangle is one branch of the mathematics that relating the length of the side and angle of the triangle. Right? We are relating the angle of triangle with side of the length of side of the triangle. So it is a useful tool for engineers, scientists and surveyor, and is applied even in the seismology and navigation. Right? So from the angle we can find the side of the triangle. From the side of the triangle we can measure the angle. So that will be very useful for all the field, including engineering, scientists, navigation and surveyors. Now we'll see the detail. Now we'll refer the triangle. There are three different triangles are available. Right? These three triangles are available. The triangle 1. The side is the name is given as ABC. The angle is 35 degree. Having 1.5 unit. AB is 1.5 unit. BC is 1 unit. We know that there is a opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. There are three sides are available. This is right angle triangle. It's a 90 degree. So angle opposite to that side is called the opposite side. This CB is the opposite side. And this is the hypotenuse. So another side adjacent to that angle is called the adjacent side. Right? So CB is the opposite side, opposite to that angle. And adjacent AB is called adjacent side of the angle. Then AC is the hypotenuse. Similarly, another triangle. The unit is more here. It is given the name DEF. Right? The DE is 3 units and EF is 2 units and DF also available. Here also the angle is triangle. Only the length, the side of the length of the side is more. Here also this is the opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. Here one more triangle is available. The side is given as GHI. Right? The GH is 6 units. HI is 3 units. Here also the angle is 35 degree. This is the right angle. So IH is opposite side, GH is adjacent side, GI is the hypotenuse. Right. So all three triangle, the angles are same, 35 degree. And only the units, side of the length of the side of the angles are different. Right. So angles are equal, the length of the sides are different. Right. Now we are going to find the ratio of opposite side by adjacent side for all the three triangles. So first refer this triangle, opposite side by adjacent side, that is 1 divided by 1.5, that is equal to 0.7 units. Similarly, while referring this triangle, 2 by 3, that also 0.7. While referring this third triangle, opposite side, 3 divided by 6, that also is nearly equal to 0.7 units. Right? So this angle all equal. While finding the ratio, that ratio is also almost equal. It is around 0.7. So that is the observation we got from this triangle having the same angle. Only the units are different. So while finding the ratio, we got it is approximately 0.7 units. Right. So we observe that the angles are equal in such a way that while finding the ratio opposite side by adjacent side, we got the same value as 0.7, ratio 0.7. So this is not 3 units, so 4 units. So 4 divided by 6, it is around 0.7. Now we'll see the description. What we discussed, the description is given. The corresponding angles shown in three triangles are of the same size, that is 35 degree. Draw your attention to the length of opposite side. Opposite side means the side opposite to the given angle, and the adjacent side. Adjacent side means which is side of adjacent to that given angle. of the triangle, right? So we have opposite side and adjacent side. Opposite side means opposite to the triangle, opposite to the angle. Adjacent to the angle is called adjacent side. So we are finding the ratio opposite side by adjacent side. So every right angle triangle given here has the same ratio as 0.7, right? So in all the cases we got 0.7. So we observe two things. One is angle is equal 35 degree. While finding this ratio we got 0.7. So by using this property we can go for the next stage. So based on this finding, now what could be length of the side marked x in the following triangle? So we have the similar triangle is available here. The angle is 35 degree. This length is given 10.5 units, that is opposite side. See BC. BC value is given. But the AB value is not given, it is taken as x units. Right? So we already got that value. Opposite side by adjacent side is 0.7 for the triangle with 35 degree. From the previous three triangle we observed that if the angle is 35 in all the three triangles, the opposite side by adjacent side will be 0.7. So we can apply this finding with this triangle. So in this triangle again opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 10.5 units already given. But adjacent side is not given x. But we know that this is 0.7. It is observed from the previous three triangles. So we can use this finding here. So 10.5 divided by x equal to 0.7. So that 10.5 bring this 0.7 in this denominator, x in the numerator. So 10.5 divided by 0.7 equal to x. That is 10.5 divided by 0.7 is 15 equal to x. So that x equal to 15 units. So from the angle we observe that the ratio is equal. From the ratio we got the length of the adjacent side. So it is useful to find the length of the triangles by having this the ratio. We observed the ratio, from that we calculated the length, right? So this is very useful to find the length from angle, angle from the length, right? We'll see the description here. Such remarkable ratio stunned earlier mathematicians and paved the way for the subject trigonometry. So from this observation they conclude that so from ratio and angle we can calculate the angle from the ratio, ratio from the angle. So that they frame the subject trigonometry. So that there are three basic ratio in the trigonometry, right? Each of which is one side of right angled triangle divided by another, right? So there are three sides available: opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So based on that there are three basic ratios are available. That is nothing but one side of right angle triangle by another side, right? Based on that there are three ratios available. Now we'll see what are the three ratios. It's a very basic ratios available in the trigonometry, right? So this is the name of the angle. We have sine, cosine, tangent. There are three basic ratios are sine, cosine, tangent. The short form is called a sine, cos, tan, right? The short form is sine, cos, tan. Now we'll see how to calculate the sine, cos, tan by using these ratios. So this is a related measurement, the relationship. Say refer this triangle ABC. This is the adjacent side. This is the angle theta available. So that this is the opposite side. Opposite side of angle B. That is BC is the opposite side. AB is the adjacent side. AC is the hypotenuse. Right? So same thing. All three triangles are same. Right? AB adjacent side, BC opposite side, AC hypotenuse. In case of sine theta, sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. This is the formula. How to find the sine theta? From the observation we found that from the ratio we can find the side. Similarly from the side we can find the angle. So based on that the ratios are framed. The first ratio is sine theta. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This is opposite side. BC divided by AC is nothing but the sine theta. Similarly here cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. This adjacent side. AB divided by AC. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Right? Opposite side BC divided by AB is nothing but the tan theta. Right? So this is the very basic three formulas. From that we have another so many formulas are available. So sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So in this video we discuss about the introduction to the trigonometry. From the three triangles we observe that if the angles are equal in the right angle triangle, the ratio opposite side by adjacent side will be same. Angle is same means right angle triangle, the ratio is also same. From the ratio we calculated one side, adjacent side of the another triangle x, right? So from this observation we framed three trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.